Welcome back to the Busy Babe and everyone. I can apologize, I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm pretty busy. Life just gets in the way. Alright, project we got on the go. You see behind me here, I got two old 340 Polarises. That's a 91 or 92 or something. I'm not sure what that one is. I think it's a 97. Anyway, all the parts, everything. Cab's a little different. But anyway, two of these are fucked. One has no track. She caught a fire. Some shit burned on her. And this one here is just an old parts sled. I had it young shit. I got dragged in, so it has a good track on it. And the rest of the parts I need, so scrap that one, fix that one. Sounds easy enough, eh? Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, let's have a look at this one now. See what we gotta pull off it. I'm gonna scrap the whole sled anyway. All you, no engine. Lots of leaves and shit. This is thrown up behind the shed for the last 12, 13 years, so. I'm not sure what happened to the seat. I think I chucked it. The moss growing out of it. Alright, so. Gonna pull all the front suspension off, cab, what's left of the drivetrain, and the chain case. I'm gonna keep that because that's for another project this winter. The young fella and I are gonna build a dune buggy, and I think the undercarriage is pretty well fucked on it. A lot of good parts there. That's a good track. So that gotta come off. Now, like I said, this has been trolley doors for a long time. Most of the nuts and bolts are rusted. Tools of choice, I'd say, is going to be, electric impact and zip cut, I'd say. All right, all the suspension out of that. Alright, so I'm ready to pull the track out of this here now. In order to do that, I gotta let that bearing go. On that side, pull the chain case apart. Oh fuck, what a state. Pull the chain case apart, let it not go on the other side of the axle. And ready to pull the track out. And survey the fire damage on the other one too while I'm at it now, I guess. See what else I'm going to need. Okay, here's where she caught a fire. Alright, fuel lines, choke cable, ain't too serious. That's the reason I'm fixing up this other sled. They're great little sleds for kids. They're easy to get going, easy to pull over. And I like them because they're light, easy to throw around, pretty well go anywhere. It's like a rabbit in the snow. Yeah, so you got that one going now. Let's get ready to go for a ride. Alright, I'll cover up this chain case. Alright, we gotta let tensioner go. And off the bottom sprocket and slide the axle in her. Oh yeah, but these are awesome glows for having this stuff, like I said. Keeps your hands moving, not very strong, you'll tear a lot of them off. Because if it's on you, it's in you. Simple as that. The easiest way to get the choke cables and fuel lines and everything I need is pull the handlebars off.
Hi.
Alright, so we got all the parts we need for that sled. Track, choke cables, fuel lines. And all we gotta do now is take that piece of junk out of the shed, clean up the mess. And we'll get back at the other one. Stay tuned for part 2, everyone. We'll be fixing up that other one and getting her going. Alright, same as always, everyone. Take it easy.